This is a pack of Swedish Dishcloths from Active. This pack includes a total of 12 dishcloths. This product was sent to us for our honest review. These are reusable and the pack comes in multiple colors. Each dishcloth absorbs more than 20 times its weight and can be used anywhere in your household. The material here is 70% cotton and 30% cellulose, and it looks to be very well constructed. These are thick and feature a ridged texture for better scrubbing. Each dishcloth measures about 6.9 inches by 7.7 inches. They feel soft, and when wet, they become sponge-like, making wiping and cleaning easier. You can wash them in the dishwasher, washing machine, or simply hand wash. You can easily squeeze out dirt and water and reuse them again. The compact size makes them easy to store. Overall, these multi-use reusable dishcloths are well designed, extremely easy to use, work great, and this pack is highly recommended.